Okay, so this one says, which direction must the graph of f of x, which is equal to 2 to the x, be shifted to produce the graph g of x equals 2 raised to the x plus 8? What does that plus 8 do? Remember, if I say y equals a times b raised to the x minus c plus d, oops, d, not b. What does the c do? Well, c is equal to negative 8, right? Because there's a negative thing here. In other words, this is x minus minus 8. So what does that mean? Well, if it's d, it's up or down. Remember, d goes up or down. What does c do? It goes to the left because it's negative. C does the left or right. D does up or down. C does left or right. But because the formula has a negative c, it's always the opposite of whatever you see here. Okay? And that is it.